Hey there, welcome. I'm Daniel, and today we're going on a simple but powerful journey to unlock your chakra energy. Don't worry if you've never heard of chakras before. Think of them as 7 little spinning wheels of energy that run along your spine, each one helping you feel grounded, creative, confident, loving, expressive, intuitive, and connected. By the end of this story, you'll know how to tap into each of these energy centers, and you might even feel a little spark of light inside you. Sound good? Let's dive in. Picture this. You wake up every day feeling a bit off. Maybe you're drained, or you can't put your finger on why you feel stuck. Have you ever felt like that? Yeah, that's exactly where we begin. One morning, our friend Maya woke up feeling heavy, like gravity was extra strong. She decided enough was enough. She grabbed a notebook and wrote 3 questions at the top of the page. What makes me feel alive? Where do I feel tension in my body? What do I really want? These questions were her invitation, a call to uncover the hidden energy inside her. And that's the call that brought her to the base of a mountain called Chakra Peak. Ready to follow her up the trail? Maya ties her shoes, steps onto a winding path, and meets an old guide named Aaron. Aaron smiles and says, "Each stop on this path is a gate, one chakra. To pass through, you need to unlock its energy. Root chakra, the gate of grounding." Aaron says, "Place your feet firmly on the ground, feel the earth supporting you. Go on, plant your feet, close your eyes, take 2 deep breaths, notice the weight of your body." By rooting herself, Maya felt safe and secure. This is the root chakra, your foundation. When it's blocked, you feel anxious. When open, you feel stable. Sacral chakra, the gate of creativity. Now, place your hands on your lower belly. Think of one thing you love to create, maybe cooking, painting, or dancing. Rub your belly gently, and say silently, "I am creative." Do it twice. Maya remembered how she loved to sketch. A warm glow filled her pelvis. This is your sacral chakra, your flow of joy and creativity. Solar plexus chakra, the gate of personal power. Stand tall, chest lifted. Imagine a golden sun at your belly. Straighten your posture, take a breath in, puff out your chest, and on the exhale say, "I am strong." Maya felt confidence radiate. That was her solar plexus, awakening her center of willpower and self-esteem. Heart chakra, the gate of love. Place your hand over your heart. Think of someone or something you deeply care for. Put your hand on your chest. Take 3 slow breaths. Whisper, "I am open to love." Maya envisioned her dog Luna, bounding toward her. Warmth bloomed in her chest. That's the heart chakra, unconditional love and compassion. Throat chakra, the gate of expression. Gently tap your throat with 2 fingers. What truth do you need to speak? Tap your throat. Think of one thing you've been too shy to say. Now whisper it. Let it out. Maya whispered, "I choose joy." Her voice felt stronger, freer. That was the throat chakra, unlocking your voice, your truth. Third eye chakra, the gate of intuition. Close your eyes and focus on the space between your eyebrows. With eyes closed, imagine a deep indigo light there. Ask yourself one question. What does my intuition tell me right now? Maya saw a quick flash of insight, an idea for a new painting. Clarity and inner wisdom. That's the third eye. Crown chakra, the gate of connection. Imagine a violet light at the top of your head, reaching upward. Stretch your arms above you. Take one final big breath, and imagine connecting to something greater than yourself. Maya felt a gentle pull upward, like a thread connecting her to the sky. That's the crown chakra, spiritual connection and unity. Maya made it to the summit, 7 gates unlocked. She felt whole, not because she mastered some mystical secret, but because she took moments to tune in, to breathe, to feel, and to speak her truth. Now it's your turn. Remember those questions Maya wrote? Grab your notebook again. Where do you feel tension? Which chakra feels most alive right now? What step can you take today to honor that energy? Write it down. Even a line or 2 can light up your path. Unlocking your chakra energy isn't a one-and-done stunt. It's a daily mini-adventure. Grounding your root, stirring your creativity, owning your power, opening your heart, voicing your truth, trusting your intuition, and connecting with the world. Take a deep breath with me. Inhale, exhale, and step onto your path, chakra by chakra. The mountain is waiting. Thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed this journey, hit like, share with a friend, and subscribe for more simple, soulful stories. Until next time, keep your energy spinning and keep shining.